One, I hope you're having a great time at the event so far and learning lots about engineering. I'd like to welcome you to the next session, which is called Maximizing Your University Experience. My name is Sara Buse, and I'm the Director of Experiential Learning and Academic Services in Engineering. And today I'm going to talk to you about how to maximize your university experience. So let's start off by what it means to maximize your university experience. You're all probably in high school now, maybe in a post-secondary transfer institution. And, this is a pretty well understood academic system for you. You've been in it for a few years. You understand how it works and how to study. However, now you're looking to move to a post-secondary setting. This is less familiar. There's different requirements, different people. And students, that engineering is a challenging discipline and that the volume and pace of the work is going to increase. Parents, we know that you're concerned about the transition and how your student will keep up with the pace. We also know that students and parents want to ensure that their students are going to get an awesome experience and will have access to the resources and programs to make sure that you'll be successful during and after your degree. We also want to know and make sure that you're all getting access to the skills and experiences that will make you competitive in an ever-changing job market. So today, we're going to talk about how to maximize your academic experience, maximize your career potential, and maximize your fun, as well as making sure that you're taking care of yourself while doing it all. So the first way to think about maximizing your transition to UBC is through making sure you really take the opportunity to understand the new campus, the resources available to you, and to start building community. Most students, when they enter UBC, have questions such as, what can I expect from engineering? What was engineering going to expect from me? How can I thrive in UBC engineering? How can I find community and get involved? And how do I know if I need help? And when I need help, where can I find help? So these are all really great questions, and we have some great programming and resources to help you out as you get started at UBC. The first great opportunity is orientations. We have Imagine Day and Jumpstart. Imagine Day is the first day of school and is a really great opportunity to participate in the pep rally, the faculty welcome, as well as other really great events that showcase our design teams and really give you an opportunity to participate in school spirit. Jumpstart is a week-long orientation where students get to learn about campus, where to find things, where to eat. They get to meet professors, learn more about the degree requirements, and how to access academic resources. These are also super fun. We have the pep rally, the faculty welcome. There's just lots of great opportunities to learn about engineering and meet other students. The photo in the bottom of the screen here is from the pep rally, and you can see some of our engineering students welcoming and just having a really great time being part of orientation activities. Another really great resource available to students is our Welcome to Engineering Handbook. So this is a sort of self-paced course that has everything you need to know as a first-year student. So things like registration, degree requirements, the first-year curriculum, all of those things are summarized and are all in an easy resource that you can go back to whenever you need or have a question. We also have in-person sessions that are hosted by our experiential learning team and senior students throughout the summer. And these are on topics like navigating UBC as an international student, finding your community through our EDI affinity groups, how does second-year placement work, and how students chose their program, as well as a really popular one called Transitioning from High School to University, where senior students share things that they wish that they knew about when they made the jump to post-secondary. So let's next talk about how to maximize your academic experience in engineering. We all know that this is a challenging discipline and our students take a large course load. However, there's also things beyond just taking classes that are foundational information to understand, such as how to register in courses, understanding the degree requirements, and then accessing resources to support new study habits if you need them. We have an exceptional team of academic advisors in engineering academic services, one of which who will be in the next academic advising question and answer period, who are here to work with students in navigating their degree. So this includes everything from supporting you with registration, making sure you understand your degree progression requirements, understanding transfer credits, supporting you with academic concession when you need it, and also anything that you just need help with in relation to academic success. We also have really incredible tutoring and exam support to help you figure out how to write exams in engineering and understanding the expectations in your coursework. UBC also has incredible health supports from wellness support, counseling services, and student health services to ensure that students are taking care of their mental and physical health. And we're also really lucky to have a designated counselor for applied science students. This is him in the bottom corner of the screen here. His name is Gordon Lai. And he is only available to applied science students and really understands the unique challenges that our students face and is there to help students navigate those challenges. A lot of this information, all of this information plus more, can be found on the website students.engineering.ubc.ca. It really is a great place to see what's available to students, what resources available, and it's a key tool for both prospective and current students. Okay, the next topic I want to talk about is how to maximize your career readiness during your degree through accessing the incredible experiential learning opportunities in engineering. Experiential learning is very simply learning by doing. You may be thinking to yourself that engineering is an applied discipline and is experiential learning at its core, and you're absolutely correct. Students are going to get many experiential learning opportunities in the classroom through labs and design projects, but we also offer some truly incredible co-curricular and extracurricular experiences such as co-op, design teams, research projects, and entrepreneurship projects that help ensure that all of our students are knowing themselves, knowing their interests, and have great access to work and other types of experiences before they graduate. So all of this information is really conveniently summarized in the Engineering Experiential Learning Hub, or eHub, which is designed to support students in understanding all of their options, understand the skills they can expect to build, and enhance those skills through experiences, and then connect with the experience in itself. So why is all this important? You might be asking yourself, my students getting technical skills in the classroom? Absolutely. Erin just shared that UBC has been ranked #1 in Maclean's recently for the engineering program. And we absolutely know that our students are going to get an exceptional classroom-based experience. But we also think about graduating students into their careers, and we look at what the job prospects in the future. We know that the job market has been heavily disrupted by technology. We just came through the pandemic, and we expect more disruption. We also know that employers are looking for new mixes of skills beyond just technical skills, including critical thinking, emotional intelligence, multidisciplinary problem solving, as well as things like communication skills, teamwork, and inclusive leadership. We also are seeing, especially post-pandemic, a huge demand for global competencies such as cultural awareness, language, and adaptability. And we're also seeing that employers are projecting that a huge percentage of jobs will value an ability to manage people and resources. So all of these skills here have roots in the classroom, but a lot of the learning and career readiness skills comes from building and evolving these skills outside the classroom in the workplace and in other experiences like design teams. So the Experiential Learning Hub at UBC is really designed to help students match to great experiences that they value and help them build all of these skills. So let's talk about some of the experiences that our students have access to. So starting off with one of my favorite programs, the Applied Science Co-op program. UBC has the second largest co-op program in Canada, and the UBC Engineering Co-op program specifically is the largest program in Western Canada with over 2,800 students participating. There's going to be a great presentation on Saturday from one of my colleagues, Jennifer Eberly, specifically about co-op and career resources, and I really encourage you to go and attend that and learn more. We also are very keen for students to get research experience, and there's many types of opportunities for students to undertake paid research on campus. We have an incredible work-learn program that matches students with part-time work on campus that is paid. There's also incredible volunteer opportunities for things like and roles like orientation leaders. We have entrepreneurship programming, and then of course we have career resources. So career skills are critical skills to learn and practice. Some people feel that, oh, it's just a resume, it's not a problem, but these are really things we need to practice. We need to practice our job search skills. We need to practice our interview skills. And so we have a series of toolkits designed specifically for engineering students to support how to create resumes and cover letters. And we also have engineering career peer coaches who are available to all students for support with job applications, interview practice, and job search skills. Professional network is also a critical part in maximizing your career potential, and it's never too early to start building your network. We have dedicated staff in engineering who work with industry in order to make sure that students have access to industry and being able to build their own networks. Some of the great programs we have that connect students to industry include our mentoring programs, where we have alumni and other industry interested in working with students, work with students for over a year through various events and one-on-one mentoring. We also have career fairs that are offered through UBC, as well as our Engineering Undergraduate Society puts on an engineering-specific career fair in February of each year. We also have industry nights, company information sessions, both of which are designed to connect students with industry, help them understand the application process and whether that is a company that they'd like to work for. And finally, of course, we're very well connected with Engineers and Geoscientists BC, which is the governing body for engineering and geoscience in British Columbia. Students have an opportunity to receive free membership as students, and that opens up a whole bunch of different networking opportunities and resources through EGBC. All right, let's move on to our international experiences. I mentioned earlier that the demand for intercultural competency is really increasing, and so UBC and engineering specifically have many programs that are really interesting on the international front. So we have things like research abroad that range from 2 weeks to 4 months, where students can go to another university and participate in research experiences with other faculty. We have global seminars, we have exchange programs, and we have our specific coordinated international experience, which is just for engineering students and basically offers pre-articulated courses so students can continue to work towards their engineering degree at UBC while at another institution. And finally, we have all of our wonderful student groups. I'm sure many of you have heard of our design teams, which are just an absolutely incredible opportunity to gain technical and leadership skills. UBC has, I think, the largest number of design teams of any university in Canada, with over 35. And there's really opportunity to do everything you're interested in. We have a team that does rockets. We have several teams that do cars. We have teams focused on sustainability, on autonomous sailboats, on robots. It's just really anything you can think of, there's the opportunity to participate in. We have a very active student government through the Engineering Undergraduate Society, as well as our program departments and clubs. We're well connected with industry associations, and many students participate in activities like that, which is also an excellent opportunity to connect with industry. And then, of course, we have our EDI student groups, such as the National Society of Black Engineers, which are a really great place to build community. So you might be asking yourself, this is a lot. We have lots of experience, and we really are focused on finding the right experience for you. There's a really great navigation tool on the Experiential Learning Hub website that allows students to sort through all the different options that are available to them and understand the skills that they will build through participation in those different experiences. So I really encourage you to check those out. Also on that webpage, there's a link to some really excellent student stories. So there's just so many different paths that students can follow, and we really want students to be able to build a career and an set of experiences that is meaningful for them. And so there's a huge number of student stories on that website that will allow you to kind of explore the different opportunities that are available, as well as the different paths that other students have taken through their university experience. So I encourage you to check out the website experience.appsi.ubc.ca. And I hope I've been able to share that there are just so many opportunities for you to maximize your university experience through UBC Engineering. Thank you all so much for listening, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the open house.
Thanks so much, Sarah, and have a great night. Thanks for joining us.
Thanks, everyone.